Alright, hi I'm gonna do quick unboxing. So this is a Peace Out acne patch for spots, and I got this from Octally. So if you don't got it, please go get it because you receive free stuff from brands and you just post about it on Instagram. So yeah, you just have to do the certain guidelines they tell you to do, like there's use certain hashtags and all that. And somebody came inside, I think. ¿Vas a entrar o no? I guess not anymore. So yeah, I've been wanting to try these acne patches out for the longest. So crap. Let me open it. So I'm opening the box. The packaging is cool. I've been seeing their page on Instagram for a while now. I think I've seen other people that I follow use these. Oh wow, it comes with two. So wow, it feels very skinny. So let me try. Okay, never mind. I was gonna open it, but I want to open it when I'm gonna get to use. Never mind, I'm just gonna open it. Wait, no, because I have to do a video. Yeah, never mind, I can't. Crap. Let me do it later. Okay. So that was it for this one. And this is not from Octally. This is some brand emailed me. It fell. Hold on. This is from Maree. I think that's how you say it. It's Marine Collagen Eye Gels. It looks like this. I think I saw somebody I follow as well use these, and the packaging looks very cool. It's blue and sparkling. They have other colors like pink, purple, green, teal, and I like mermaid, like the colors and all that. It looks cool. So obviously I had it saved. So yeah, I'm gonna use these two later, if not today, another day, and I'm gonna show you. So, and then I also received an email from another brand. But this is Kamedis Solutions. I don't know how to say it. Yeah, Kamedis Dermatology. So it's a shampoo. Where is it at? They sent me two. I was like shocked. I didn't know they were gonna send two, but it's the scalp control dandruff therapy shampoo. So if you have a dry scalp or you have dandruff, this will work for you. So I'm obviously not gonna do a video showering. I don't feel comfortable doing that. That's it's not comfortable for me. So yeah, this is the same box. And then they also gave me the brush head, shampoo brush head. So it looks cool. I've been wanting to try one of these, and it looks like this. So it's so cool. It feels firm and hard, so it's gonna actually get in there. So if you wear like hairspray, wigs, if you like to put rhinestones in your hair, or color it, or use a lot of product, this is gonna really remove all the gunk right here. So right here, or dry shampoo and all that. So that's pretty much it for right now. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.